is Raquel. If you don't know who I am, welcome to my channel. So basically I'm going to the store today, so I decided to do why I hate my Camaro. So first things first, I honestly regret getting a 2SS. I wanted it because I wanted leather seats because I have dogs. And I was like, cloth, but they're terrible. They break, especially if you don't take care of them, and I got it used, so God knows what the guy before me did to this car, but he did not take care of it. Next thing I hate is the taillights. The 5th gen taillights are always going out, there's always breaking, you can never fix them, I don't know. The visibility in this car is absolutely terrible, especially if you're looking like this way to see if like there's a blind spot in your mirror. You can't even see anything, like it's pointless. Next thing I hate is the key fob. The key fob is a piece of shit. I had a Camaro before this one, a V6, same year, 2011, and it literally just like fell apart. And this one's doing it too. It's just the buttons, they just go right through. They're a piece of shit. Next thing, I do hate how small it is. Like I wish I had like a 4-door, like room for like a back seat, but if someone like 6 foot sits back there, like if I hit a speed bump, even if I go over it slow, they hit their head on the roof, like. So not a road trip car at all. That's pretty much all I hate about my car. I honestly love my car a lot. It's literally my favorite. And one day I will get an upgrade, a newer car, because I hate how old my car is. I'm planning to do a new clutch soon and go big turbo. So big plans. But once I get a daily, and then we'll worry about that. So if you're thinking about getting a Camaro, I highly recommend it. It is the best car in the world, because who would ever buy a Mustang? I'm just kidding. I totally would buy a Mustang. But that's just me. Well, if the weather does hold up, my next clip will be racing, because I'm going to go to the track tonight. If it doesn't hold up, I'll see you guys soon. Bye. So we actually made it to the track today. I've done like 4 to 5 runs. I'm still learning how to launch my car with the cam. It's really hard to launch my car. So I'm running like really low 13s, like flat 13s. We're gonna see if we can get a good run in, because I really want to hit 12s. But honestly, I blew up my car before and missed a gear. So I'm really scared to shift, if I'm gonna be completely honest, because I really don't want to blow up my car. But we'll be back. Don't make me wanna love this, but it's such an adrenaline rush that I literally shake when I come off the clutch. Thank you. What the fuck? Let's ride with me, little nigga, don't get paid. 12.7. Thank you. Finally! That was literally like the best thing ever. Oh my god. Okay, so I ran a 12.5 or a 12.7. I revved to like, let's say 4,200 RPMs. So obviously likes the higher RPMs. It likes around 4. When I eased off the clutch, perfect. Literally perfect.
DJ, we got it. Fucking 12.
That was a 12-second pass.
That is crazy.
Stage 4 or 5. This is like.
If I